indices and commodities traded in a very narrow range with little swings across Asia and Europe sessions. So now what to expect with the US session? What to expect from gold and silver, oil and gas, Nasdaq and Dow? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold and silver, followed with oil and gas. Lastly, Nasdaq and Dow. Watch till. Look at the hourly charts of gold. You can see this fall, and then the price is just stabilized around 40-60 zone. You can see a couple of drops here, but then prices bounce back sharp. Notice what is it has done here: drop, retracement, drop. It is trying to retrace how far. It can keep moving towards 4090. This is going to be crucial. 4100, 4110. Real reversal will initiate only and only if it trades beyond 4110, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Notice the struggle here at around 7880 zone, which is a very strong resistance. So now you can buy here at 4078, but then I will say 4078.80 should be a good resistance, then 84.85, then 90, and then 4100. Beyond this 4110, if at all it trades beyond 4110, it's a reversal, else it is still not confirming the bullishness here. Moving averages crossed over here, slight bearish indication here. Stochastic rising, the MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI trying to bounce back. Coming to look at 2 hour charts here, the support is getting stronger. With this as support, price is trying to bounce back. I'll wait for 78-80 zone to be taken, then 84-85, then 90-90, and then 4100, 4110. Till 4110 there are crucial resistances. Beyond this 4120 levels, and if 4120 is taken, sky is the limit. We are ready for a rally, else it is not yet showing any bullishness as of now. Notice what it has done: drop, retracement, and higher lows. So this is important, as it is performing higher or delivering higher lows. The highs could be at around 4150. We have to watch out today's move, because see, whichever direction it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI rising here. Coming to 3, similar observation. One more observation here on the 3 hour chart. See this bearishness, and since then it has traded under consolidation. You can see lower highs, higher lows, and now it is trying to deliver a breakout. And now I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves at 4078.80, beyond which more bullishness should be seen here. Stochastic comfortably placed, the MACD also flat, RSI flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation. These two could be symmetrical here. I'll definitely watch out for, first, if at all it starts to move towards 4078.80, how it behaves there. And I'll say till 4100 it's not yet a reversal. Beyond this it could deliver a stronger move. Notice what has happened here. See this first consolidation, then a bounce back here, also symmetrical move here, and now it is trying to bounce back. Remember, now if you see it is staying below 4060, 4050 zone, more bearishness should prevail from there. You can expect it to move towards 4040. So this zone, earlier in the day also I had mentioned 4060, 4040 should be a crucial support zone. What has happened? It has offered it a very good support. Now if at all this zone is taken, you can stay short for 4010 or 4000. Stochastic has taken a dip here. The MACD is trading with moderate bullishness. RSI trying to bounce back. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, notice the drop here, and then couple of retracement candles. It is trying to show a pullback. This could still reverse. Now reversal means possibly see lower highs, so lower lows are already seen. It is very crucial for gold to trade beyond 4110, 4120 mark. If these two levels are taken, I think we can in fact see it hitting 4150, but right now it is not showing such a strength. Notice what it is doing: drop, retracement, again trying to take a dip here. Now the second point here is, if at all it trades below 4060, 4040 zone, stay with the sells. This 4040 should be a good support. Below this you can expect a good fall, which is going to take it in fact below 4000 or 3984 levels here. Stochastic trying to bounce back, the MACD almost flat, the RSI trying to look downward. So looking at the buying entry today is only above 4078.80 mark here. If at all it trades beyond this, till I will say 4100, you have to, or 4110, you have to just trail with 50 pips trailing. You cannot avoid it. You will find a support at 85, you will find a support at 90, that is 4085, 4090, then 95, 4100. So all of these are going to remain crucial support here till 4110. I will say this is not yet bullish, beyond which you can expect 4120, and if this is taken, stay bullish for 41, 45, 50 levels, next targets, beyond which sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now only if you see it is staying below. See, ideally 40-50 levels, 40-40 levels should be the selling point. But now you can take a sell at 40-62. If you see it is staying below 40-62, expect 40-54, 52 as the first target, 40-40 as the next. And if 40-40 is taken, we can expect a greater downfall all the way towards 40-10 and then 39-84, below which 39-50 should arrive. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. See silver on the hourly charts. First it has taken a drop here, then look at the consolidation, green red, and now trying to deliver a breakout. Now once it trades beyond 5140, 5160 zone, stay bullish. We can in fact expect it to move towards 52, 52, 50 levels again. Notice what it has done here: drop, retracement, drop. It is trying to retrace. I'll definitely watch out for, if at all it trades beyond 40, 5140, 5160 zone, you can definitely expect a greater rise from there. Moving average is almost flat. Stochastic trying to bounce back. Look at MACD after retracing here, now trying to cross over. Once this crosses over, it can lead to a stronger rise. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for further bullishness. Look at 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see series of red candles here. Here you can see consolidation. Now it is trying to deliver a breakout. I'll say you can buy at 5120 itself, but then 5140, 5160 is what you should watch out for. If this is taken, you can expect it to move towards 52 and 5240, 5250 levels. Though too early to jump onto that conclusion, the silver has not yet showed such strength here. But only thing which I am looking here is, see, this is the move here. This is how it has been trading. And now once it trades beyond 5160 levels, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected from there. Stochastic trying to bounce back. The MACD has crossed over for a sell. RSI trying to rise. Coming to on the 3 hour charts here, very important for it to trade now beyond 5120, and then the most important one at 5140, 5160. If these levels are taken, it's a reversal. Notice one sharp candle, then bearishness here, second round of drop. Now trying to retrace what it has done. After every drop it tries to retrace a little. I'll definitely watch out for, if at all silver starts to reverse and trades beyond 5140, 5160. This may call for a good bullish breakout here, which might take it all the way towards 52 and 53. Stochastic has taken a dip. The MACD almost flat. RSI almost flat here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See series of bearish candles. Now it is trying to break out. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 5120, you can buy, but then be cautious of 5140, 5160, and then we can expect it to fly high towards 52. Possibility is there, but right now I can also see that silver is not showing so much strength here. I'll definitely watch out for, if at all it shows a breakout move. At the same time, now once you see it staying below 50-70 levels, you can take a sell at 50-70, expect it to move towards 50-50, 50-40, first target zone. And if 50-40 is taken, you can stay short for 50 directly. Yes, below 50-40, I'll be expecting a move towards 50. Look at the move, rise retracement. Only thing here is this it is showing higher lows, higher highs, so it still has a potential for a reversal. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat here. Coming to on the daily charts, the observation here is the double bottom which it has created. Double bottoms are always a good supportive sign for possible continuation of the trend which it has taken with the preceding candle. So today what it has done with the drop, it has moved towards double bottom and now trying to bounce back, and now also it is trading above the 5 period. So I'll say, see, this is the zone it has to break out beyond, and once it trades beyond 52, it is going to deliver a massive move here. You have to watch out today's move, because see what it has done here. Look, the support it has taken from 50 period, and now the preceding candle it has formed the double bottom with is also a greener candle. So possibly it could reverse. It could reverse, but for it to reverse completely, it has to trade beyond 52 and 52.50, which is still a far beyond level. So let's see how it performs now. Stochastic trying to bounce back. The MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat. So looking at what you can do here, I will recommend you to buy at 5120. Expect 5150 and then 5180 levels. So these are going to remain crucial milestones. Beyond this, 5210 and then 5245 levels will arrive. If this is taken, I think 53 can be seen as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Though silver right now is not showing much strength, you can sell at 5070. Expect 50-50, 50-40 as the first target zone. If this is taken, I think we can see a move all the way, or sorry, 50-34, 35, I'll say 50-50, 50-35. This is the zone which is going to offer a very good support. Below this, direct lending should be towards 50, and if 50 is taken, I think we are ready for a good bearish move towards 49.75, 49.50, and then 49. Let's see. The move today is going to remain crucial for silver to decide the direction it wants to take, whether to continue with the retracement or to reverse all the gains. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. Crude oil, after the drop yesterday all the way towards 58.6 levels, now it is under retracement. See, the drop was sharp, the retracement is gradual. Now this is important for oil to trade beyond 60, then trade beyond 60.25, 60.6. If these levels are taken, it's a reversal, else it is not showing any signs of reversal. This is just a retracement. But also notice, see, the supports are getting stronger, and with every support, price is taking an uptick here. So I'll definitely watch out for, if at all it trades beyond 60, it might show little strength on the upside. However, I can see the up move is very sluggish here. It is not showing much strength. Stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over, trading with slight divergence and bullishness. RSI is also rising. On the 2 hour charts, and the observation is same here, rise, retracement, and again a rise. So now move beyond 60, 60.25, and 60.6. These three levels are very crucial for oil to break beyond, else it is not yet confirming a reversal. Yes, the stochastic is on rise. The MACD is also crossing over here, which is also a supportive sign. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. Now also notice again the same levels, 59.4, 59.2. This is the support it has to trade below. Only and only if you see oil trading below 59.4, 59.2, you should trade this for a reversal, and then you can sell here. Else it is still not on sells here. It is still not yet confirming bearishness here. So a point is confirmed that, see, if you eliminate the noise, the oil price is back in the box here. These two are the noises here, right at the top, at the bottom. It is getting back into the box here. So it has to now come out of the box again. Now, if you follow me for long, if you those who have followed me must have noticed this box formation. And the upside for this is 60.4, 60.6. The downside here is towards 59.4, 59.2. So let's wait for it to come out of this zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is showing moderate bullishness here. On the 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise again, higher lows, higher highs here. A potential move beyond 60, 60.25 should confirm further up move, then 60.4, 60.6. Move beyond 60.6 will confirm the possible reversal. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, waiting for it to cross over. RSI rising here. Coming to on the daily charts, notice the formation here. First of all, look at the moves here. You can see drop, retracement, and see the 50 period moving average is a wall here which is to be breached. If it trades beyond this wall, you can say that there is signs of bullishness, there is signs of possible rise from here, because see, this is forming a nice flag. Once it comes out of this, certainly this is a bullish indication. Now notice this is the sixth candle in succession where, despite a breach here, I can see still the supports are getting stronger or are stronger here, and hence it is yet not confirming a possible reversal today's move, because see, it is a flat base. Possibly this is a good sign for strengthening here. Any move beyond 60.6 should confirm further rise. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat here. So looking at this, what you should do here, now one thing is confirmed, till 60.6 you should not be treating. In fact, till 61 you should not treat this as a bullish breakout. What you can do, buy here at 60, expect 60.25, expect 60.5, and once this is taken, 60.8, and then 61.1, then the most crucial one at 61.5, and then 62.5. If these levels are taken, it's going to rally high. Else you can see for the entire week we have seen a range bound movement. It can stay in the range here. On the downside, the selling entry is only below 59.4, then to 59.2, first support 58.9 second, and then 58.5 the third. If this is taken, you can stay short for 57.8, or also here 58.2 is also one of the supports here, then 57.8, then 57, and then it is going to crash hard towards 56. Chances for this appears less. Right now it's a range bound movement, it might stay in range. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas today, you can see the support here very strong at 4.7. 4.7 was the resistance, now 4.7 is the support now. So if you see it is staying below 4.68, then you can take a sell. But then also I'll say 4.6 4.64 is the first support and 4.6 is the ultimate. Let's see which direction it takes today. Notice it is a range bound movement. If you see it is staying beyond 4.76, it might fly off to 4.8. Right now it's a range bound and we have to wait for a breakout. Stochastic rising, the MACD after the crossover is right now trading with moderate bearishness and the RSI is staying flat. Look at 2 on the 2-hour charts. Yes, it is staying in the box. It has to come out of the box any which ways. Beyond 4.76, we can expect further rise towards 4.8, and if at all it trades beyond 4.8, 4.82, I think natural gas should fly off towards 5. But remember, today the storage data is going to be the factor which is going to decide the direction for natural gas. On the daily charts, it is trading slightly overbought, which is making me little worried here with the rise. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. The stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is in green trying to cross over for a sell, while the RSI is flat here. Look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. The retracement trying to break out here. I'll wait for a breakout and then we can confirm the next move here, because see, once it trades beyond 4.76, then only the bullishness is confirmed, else possibly reversal cannot be denied. The moving averages are definitely trading with divergence and staying bullish. The 5 period is offering it a very good support here as well, and that is why I say only selling entry is below now 4.68. Stochastic has taken a dip here, while the MACD is on the rise since the crossover at the bottom. RSI flat here. On the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See the support from 5 period getting stronger, trying to break out here, but I'll say the buying entry is only above 4.76. You can see the resistance here getting stronger. Now red candles retracement, and now if you see it is staying below 4.68, possibly this could invite a dump here all the way towards 4.6564 or in fact 4.6. Any move below 4.6 will confirm a possible slide all the way towards 4.55 and 4.5. But right now it is not showing much weakness. Stochastic bearish here. The MACD after the drop here, it is crossed over and it is right now trading with bullishness. RSI is also showing strength here. Coming to now, see interestingly on the daily charts, if you recall how it has performed, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, retracement, and with the retracement it is back on the bullish track. But see, this retracement is coming off at a higher levels, so it calls for a possible reversal, but right now it is not showing much signs, because see, there is a reversal sign here after the bearish move, and yesterday was the first bullish candle. So today if you see it is staying beyond 4.76 and 4.8, I think it is going to take the prices towards the highs of this channel. The highs of this channel are way above 5. It is directly at 5.1, 5.2, and see the support it has created at 4.4 levels. This is the most strongest support, and I have reiterated several times that 4.4, 4.2, as long as it respects, it is not yet to be treated bearish. In fact, it can still move towards this zone, but I'll wait for the move today. Stochastic rising, see, this is my worry point, because see, the MACD has crossed over at the extremes here, and these levels were not even there when the prices were there at $5 earlier this year, and in fact when the prices have rallied, these levels were not there. So certainly it is making me a little cautious. Let's see. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. But also remember, when it was oversold, we had seen greater depth here. So yes, the MACD can still keep on rising. So today's move is definitely critical. And that is why I say buy if you see it is staying beyond 4.76, expect 4.8. Now once 4.8 is taken, I think we can look forward to a move towards 4.85, 4.92 and then $5 levels directly. Beyond 5, we are expecting 5.1 and 5.2 as well very soon, if not today. So yes, if it closes the week above 5, then the coming week it is going to open on a bullish note as well. The tomorrow's move definitely you should watch out for, and today's move is also equally critical. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.68, as it is not showing much strength. I expect that it can in fact reverse as well. So sell at 4.68, expect 4.6564 as the first target zone. If this is taken, then 4.6, and then below 4.6 is where real bearishness might arrive towards 4.55 and 4.5 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to indices. See, Nasdaq 100 here on the early charts after a good rise post market hours yesterday, where the price has moved all the way towards 25 100 120. Earlier in the day I had mentioned the buying entry is only above 25 120. Hitting the zone, we have seen a slight reversal. Now this is consolidating. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 25 100 120 again. This will confirm the next move towards 25 200. 25,280, and if 25,200 280 zone is taken, I think we are ready for a good rise. But when you look at the move here, see, this is how it has been trading. This is just coming out of this bearish channel, which is a supportive sign. But I'll wait for 25,200 280 zone to be taken in order to confirm a complete reversal. Yes, it is seen taking support here, which is also a good sign for a possible reversal. The moving averages are trading bullish as well. Stochastic rising, but see the MACD after a good retracement, this is just crossed over. And if you look at the MACD, it delivers the waves here, so possibly reversal cannot be denied. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, notice it has posted a reversal sign, couple of retracement candles trying to break out, but I'll say buy only if you see it is staying above 25,100 120 zone, and if that is 25,200 next and 25,280. If 25,280 is taken any point of time, that's the point where you can say now we are ready for a rally. This could take it all the way towards 25,400 and 25,600. Moving averages are starting to converge but not yet crossed over. Stochastic taking a dip here while the MACD is posting a little rise. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, a reversal sign is there. You can see the resistance coming in, couple of drops here. I'll wait for it to break out beyond 25,100 120, which will be the confirmation for further rise. Else it is still not yet confirming a proper reversal. Stochastic overbought here, the MACD rising here, the RSI rising. On the 4-hour charts, also similar observation. The support from 5 period is pretty strong and does see after lower highs it can still reverse and dump. I'll definitely watch out for. If at all now we see US 30, US 100 trading below 24,970, take a sell for 24,920, 900 is the first target. If that is taken, 24,860 and then 24,780 should be there. Below 24,780 is where you can expect more bearishness to follow. Below 24,780 you can expect 24,700, and below that it is going to dump sharp. Let's see the direction it takes today. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, and here notice I'll show you on the 3-hour charts. This is beautifully seen on the 3-hour charts. Now see this divide from here. Can you see the symmetry? Can you see the symmetry where it is going to head? All the way towards the top. So I'll definitely watch out the move today. It can in fact give you a breakout. Coming to 4-hour charts, back to 4-hour charts, you can see the MACD, yes, it is showing the similar formation here. I'll definitely watch out for today's move. RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to daily charts here. On the daily charts, you can see a range bound move here. Yes, on the downside, the support coming in at around 920, zone. The resistance is strong at 25,100, 120, and in fact that is taken. I'll say 25,200 is one resistance it has to trade beyond. Beyond 25,200 is where you can say now the bulls are back and we can look forward to a good rise. See this 25,200 levels. These are achievable levels, and this is definitely a crucial resistance for Tech 100 today. Beyond this 200 and in fact include 25,280 as well. If these two levels are taken, I think we are ready for a rally towards 25,400 and 600. Notice drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace towards top here. The top is somewhere towards 25,400. Stochastic rising, the MACD has traded enough bearish here. RSI is comfortably placed. So looking at buying today is only and only if you see it is staying above 25,100, 120 zone. Only and only if this is taken, you can expect 25,200 and then 25,280. Beyond this, expect 25,400. This is going to be a tough level to crack beyond, because what lies beyond this is 25,600. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 24,970 levels. This is a good support. 24,940 the next, and then 24,900 the third. Once it trades below 24,900, then also it might find support at around 24,860, 840. Then 24,800, the strongest one. If at all it trades below 24,800, I think we are going to see 24,720 and 600 as well. Let's see if at all it shows the dump here, what we had seen preceding a few days. It can show you the same dump as well, but I'm a bit cautious of such a great drop. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow. Dow here on the hourly chart, see after retracing it has found the support at 46,300, trying to break out here. Very important now for US 30 to trade beyond 46,500. What lies beyond 46,500 is a good move all the way towards 46,650, 700 zone. Be mindful of this. If at all this zone is taken, we are ready for a good round of rise all the way towards 45,650, 700. And beyond this is going to post a stronger rally. But what's happening here, notice After every rise, it might follow with a retracement towards 46,300 and 200. And now 46,200, which was the resistance, should be a very good support here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is almost flat. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. It has formed a good base trying to break out, and now once it trades beyond 46,500, you can definitely stay bullish from there. Expect 46,500, 46,650, 700 as well. Moving averages are trying to converge. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD has crossed over, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI rising as well. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here. Yes, the flat top, it is trying to deliver a breakout. A move beyond 46, 650, 700 certainly should be an indication for a move which is going to take it towards 46, 780, 47,000 as well. Mm. Yes, but the stochastic getting overbought. However, look at MACD right at the bottom. It has crossed over. This is rising. This is looking upwards. RSI rising as well. On the 4, now see the 4-hour chart. See, it has posted a reversal sign, but the 5 period is offering it a support. With the support, it is trying to bounce back, staying above 46, 500, 520. Stay bullish. It is going to show you an enormous rise here. It is possible that it can try to keep moving towards 46, 650, 700. Yes, the stochastic is getting overbought. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading bullish here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to on the daily charts, yesterday we have discussed that there could be a sharper pullback. Now see, it is possible for US30 to keep moving towards 46,600, which is quite likely could be there, but I'll definitely watch out for the move. It can still reverse till 46,500. The chances of a reversal and a drop will be high, but as long as it stays between 46,200 levels, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic oversold here, trying to post a recovery. The MACD is sharply bearish. RSI is flat here. So looking at this, what you should do now, what you can do here is I will recommend you to buy at 46 440 levels. Expect 46 500, and then 500 520 is a good resistance zone. Then you can expect 46 640, then expect 46 700. Beyond this, stay bullish for 46 780 and then 47k as well. Let's wait for this. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 46 360 levels. Expect 46 300. This is a very good support, and then 46 200. Till 46 200, do not treat this as bearish. If it trades below 46 200, stay bearish for 46k 45. See, 46k yesterday has offered it a very good support, and I think 46k and 45 900 is the zone which is going to be critical for the day. Any drop below 45 900, I think, do not think of buying Dow. It is going to crash hard towards 45 700, 45 500 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session. Thank you.